Hello, hello. I have a little unboxing to share with you. I picked up a few things from the Spellbinders Club Kit for December, and I thought we could take a look together. So my plan for the coming year is to choose one or two things each month and create some cards using those for you. I think when I go with like the full everything, it overwhelms me a little bit, and I feel like I can't get to some of the other things that I want to share with you guys. I want to do more with my Cricut. I have lots of other sort of 3D projects and snail mail, crafty mail type things that I would like to do more of as well. But I love my die sets, as you know, so I want to keep doing some of that as well. So moving forward, I'm going to pick one or two, and we'll make some cards using that, and it'll mix and match. It's just going to be whatever I like the best out of each month. So I picked up two for December. And this is the little sort of spa girl. It's called Wrapped in Care. She is so cute. She got her hair up in her little towel here with her flower. And then, of course, she can have her eyes closed or put some little cucumbers over them. I just thought this was absolutely adorable. So I am looking forward to digging in and creating some of these. This is the large die of the month for December 2025, and you can still order this. I'll link it for you down below for those of you who are just seeing it for the first time. Along with that, I really love these sentiments that they have created to go with it. I'm gonna pull this out so you can really see them without the shine, but I just loved everything about this. The font mixed with the script, all of these sayings. I just know this is going to be something I will go back to use over and over again for lots of different cards. So there's some things that specifically will go with this. The Wrapped in Care, let's see, the Unwind and Refresh. Some of them are more particular to this type of die set, but I think there's still so many that I can use on lots and lots of different cards. Let me turn it this way so you can see the rest of these as well. I love the Let's Do Nothing Together. That'd be perfect for like a card with a couch or something. You could do that as a gift card for maybe to get a movie or something like that. I think these will be very, very useful. And then with that, this comes as a set. You get the stamp and the dies. So they're all packaged together in one, which is great because you can cut all these out. And I love so much that you don't have to cut their dies apart. Like, they're just ready. They're ready to go, ready to use. And then I picked up with that some of the foam squares. As you guys know, I've been using these a lot lately. When I do an order, I usually just grab one or two packs of these. This one is the mixed one, so I've got one sheet of the small and one sheet of the large. And then this is a thank you that they are giving away. Every December they do a little extra gift for the club members. So this is a die set that says thanks very much. This was a little freebie that they threw in. Okay, I will link all of this stuff below for you guys. I hope that you are having a wonderful time with family and friends this Christmas season. And I will be back soon with some cards using all these goodies.